Hi, this is Patience Ekle Ugochukwu, and today I'll be showing you how to register your one lifetime membership fee on Owodaily. And this particular membership is just 3,000 naira. Okay, what we'll be doing is that after clicking on the Owodaily registration link, if you do not have the link, all you need to do is to send me a message and I'll give you the link, or check below this video. You will see the link. Click on it and then you fill in your information and register, after which you are to pay a membership fee of 3,000 naira, one time membership fee. So that's what we'll be doing. Don't forget that we also have a Woodley Plus, which is 13,000 naira, but right now we'll be registering that of the 3,000 naira. So let's go. Once you log in into Woodley after signing up, and after creating your account, you will come here and it will say hi. For instance, we are in Negedu's account and it will say hi Negedu, start earning on Owo Daily. So all you need to do is to scroll down this way and then you will see pay stack, card payment and transfer. You click on this arrow there, all right, and then you pick the first option. It's good that you use card payments because it's automated and it's very easy and fast. So you click on the first option. Okay, after clicking on the first option, you come here and you click on this little empty box here that you have agreed to activate your membership fee, and you just click on it. After which you will click on sign up for membership, 3,000 naira. Okay, it's going to bring you here and then you click on pay with card. All right, but if you want to use other method of paying, maybe paying with your bank or paying with transfer or paying with your USD or pay with your Visa, any of them. Okay, so let's click on pay with card. Okay, we're here, and what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be putting in my card details, but be rest assured that I won't be showing you all of this place, so that my card details will be secured just for security purposes. So when I'm done putting my card details, what I'll be doing is to click on pay 1,199. Next, I'm asked to put my 4-digit card PIN after inputting my card details. So also know that I won't be showing you the card PIN. Okay, an OTP has been sent to my phone number to use in order to authorize this payment. I'm going to be putting my OTP, but also know that I won't be showing you the OTP. All right, payment successful, and we have successfully paid for this, and I've just been debited. That's why you're saying hi Negedu, and right now your balance is 0 naira. So you can go ahead to do digital works and get paid. You can get 1,000 naira in this account before the day runs out, and then you can also deposit money into this account to use and do other things in the platform, and you can also withdraw money as well. Thank you so much. We'll be stopping here, and remember, this is Speckle Africa video series, and don't forget to reach us for your beautiful websites and other digital works. And remember that the number again is 09034296519, and from here we'll be bye.